Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I want to start a new series. I want to create new character designs. I really feel like drawing something different and using my imagination. And today I want to start a series by redrawing an old character of mine. This is Faber. I drew him many years ago and he has a very unique design. He has an alien-like face with only eyes as face features, so no mouth, ears and nose. He is bald but has long hair from the back of the head. He is very muscular, has a huge body and torso, but the main thing of this character is his weapons. He has huge blades attached to his bracelets, which makes him look really cool and unique. And today I want to redraw him as I really like the design, so I will keep everything the same, no changes. I will just try to draw him better. I will draw on an A3 size paper in portrait mode to draw him as large as possible. So let's create the sketch and then we will take a look at the final result together. Okay guys, we just finished the sketch and I think Faber looks dope. I drew him from the front, relaxed, almost full body and crossing the end of his blades, which looks really cool. It's a very unique design and now we can ink this. So as you can see, Faber has very wide shoulders, huge muscles, a long neck and huge blades. I really love this design, so let's see how he will look with colors. Alright guys, the line art is done, Faber looks really good, and now to the coloring. So these are the color tones I'm using for Faber, in case you want to draw this yourself. I'm only using gray and blue tones for this drawing, which creates a great color scheme. These colors go very well with each other and we will start with coloring the skin, which is a huge part. I'm using the color tones very even, from bright to dark, with multiple layers to create an even surface, so let's do it. Alright guys, the upper part is done, it looks great, and now to the lower part, which is all blue. The bracelets and blades I will color with a more brighter and vibrant blue, and the pants and gloves I will color with dark blue, also to separate them and also to add some different colors to the drawing. So now to the huge blades. These I want to make look shiny, like glass or crystal, and therefore I'm using a different kind of coloring technique. Still using many layers and some blending in the end. Perfect, Tabes looks really good, and now I will surround him with a light aura, just like in the old drawing. Alright guys, there we have it, a new character design, the first of the series, and I think he looks real badass. It kinda looks more like a comic character than an anime character, but I really like this. I will definitely continue this series, and very soon we will see a second new character design. Alright guys, now let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon. If you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. Also subscribe to my real-time channel for full-time drawing videos, and check out my online shop for original drawings and prints. For commissions, message me on Instagram or email, and if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video out of it and mention your name in a video as well. All the links down below in the info box, including the links to the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I'll see you on the next video.